Hey guys, what's up? Annabel Mizel here for Kamalifestyles.com. Today we're going to be going behind closed doors to find out what makes a girl happy in the bedroom. I think I may know the answers. You may think that buying expensive gifts and flashing your money may satisfy a woman. There are a few things that make a girl happy and scream out your name in the bedroom. Let's go ask the ladies and see what they have to say. How can a guy make a girl happy in bed?
Oh, giving and receiving.
Big ask her what she wants.
He has to listen to her.
Licking.
Ask her what she wants.
Gentle first and then harder, maybe?
Well, I guess it's just general confidence, knowing you're interested in the person, knowing about that person's interest, spending time with them.
Just by being very kind and very passionate and really being soft and thinking about a lady, really with his emotions.
It depends on the girl really, but I think it's a mixture of things.
Not do what they probably planned on doing.
Don't be too rough. Not as in that kind of rough, like a little bit rough is good, but you know,
Not too much.
not too much at once. Yeah, you're like, babes, chill out.
And what would you say? What about physically or emotionally?
Don't be drunk. Can kind of kill the mood.
And what do you think? Physically and emotionally, what are you looking for?
It starts emotionally, doesn't it? And then it works physically. Emotionally first, then physically.
I think he should be romantic.
Not just focus on what he wants, he should ask as to what the girl wants, I think.
And being very attentive, that's it really. She said it all, I think.
And emotionally?
Be nice to you. That's all.
He makes me feel like I'm the best woman in the world, so that's so kind. And I think every woman deserves that, and yeah, I think that's the best thing.
Giving compliments.
I want him to make me feel safe, to make me feel that I can be myself 100%. And no worries, no, oh, can I do this or not? It just have to be 100% real.
Romantic, constantly taking us out, buying us lots of gifts.
As I said, you don't want it to be all on the one hand or thinking about how he feels, you know? Because as being a girl, it's very hard for you to really tell someone how you feel. So he has to be one to listen and be able to perform afterwards, yeah.
Be confident, but like not too confident.
Not too much cheese, like, you know, a bit of...
Not a tuna belt.
Yeah, like, you don't want anything too soppy, you know?
Someone that listens to you.
Yeah.
Emotionally, it has to be passion.
He's caring and really into this, and that we know the communication is good, and yeah, it's many things that needs to be in place, but the communication, I think, is that's the most important.
Be nice to her if she wants to, like not too hard.
And what is important? How do you want to feel?
That's what makes you happy in a relationship. You know, if he's not doing his part, then it's not really a good relationship, is it? Happy. Also, it has to be a concoction of emotions.
I feel good being with him. That's all. Wonderful, like a princess. Just relaxed and myself.
I want to feel that he likes me and that he wants to be with me in that moment.
And physically, what do you like?
Happy, attractive, interesting, enjoy spending time with them.
And physically?
Don't be too forceful. Going down on her.
With his charm, he has to be lovely, he has to be confident, not too shy, not a little boy, he has to be a grown man.
Okay guys, there we have it. Our body and our brain really isn't as complicated as you think. To make a girl happy in the bedroom, you need to make sure you turn on her mind as well as her body, as well as making her feel secure. It isn't all about looks, as emotions are involved, but you need to make sure you know exactly what you're doing. Okay guys, smash that like button and share and subscribe to KamaTV. I've been Annabel Mizel, thanks for watching and see you all next time.